Hey y'all, Erica here, and today I will be sharing with you guys my very first art vlog. So I will be sharing with you a little bit of what I do on a typical art day. Now I'm not gonna lie, on this particular day I did wake up extremely late. Normally I like to be up by 9:30 and creating art by 10:30, but on this day we was real late. We was real late. But it's okay, I made up for it. Now, the very first thing I do after thanking the Lord for waking me up on this particular day and every day, I open the blinds because it immediately wakes me up. It makes me feel good. I am a sunflower and I need that to grow, to blossom, and to feel good. So that is the very first thing I do. And then I get my day started. Oh, girl, them beady beads. Why, hello there. We have brushed up the beady beads, so let's go. Time for breakfast. Now this will probably be the realest pan you're gonna see on YouTube. You're welcome. So typically when I'm eating breakfast in the morning, I don't have any music or television on, nothing at all. I like the house to be completely silent, and this usually happens when little man is not home with me. And on this particular week, he was not home. So yeah, I like to have it completely silent, and I just kind of eat. I really enjoy the meal. I enjoy the flavors. I look out the window and I give thanks, and I think about my life and things that are going on. I smile, and I just really am present in the moment, and I just enjoy that moment of stillness because, as we all know, we have such busy lives. It's always so noisy. We always have so much going on in our ears and, in our heads. So for breakfast, usually I just take a moment of silence, gaze out the window, and enjoy.
Good morning, Erica here, and welcome to my first art vlog. Actually, wait, I'm lying. It's not morning. It's about 3:30, and I know you're probably like, girl, you just had eggs. I know. I ain't want nothing heavy. Although it's lunchtime, I didn't really want anything heavy. See, what had happened was I went to bed late last night. Even though I told myself yesterday that I was going to be in bed by 9. Lies. Lies I told myself. Yes, I went to bed a little late. I was watching Just Right. You know that movie with Common and Queen Latifah? Oh my God. Like I was, and I just knew when I turned it on at 12 midnight, I was like, girl, you wrong. You was trying to go to bed early. You about to put on a movie. Anywho, I digress. But yeah, that movie is, it gets me right here in the heart. I love that movie. But anywho, I went to bed late and I woke up about 11:30. You know what I'm saying? About 11:30. And I kind of got myself together, as y'all saw in an earlier clip, because even though I am working from home and I do my art from home, some days I feel a little bit more put together when I put my face on and I put on something decent. Now, I ain't gonna lie, I don't do this every day. Now, some days I just come downstairs and I just do my art and girl be in bonnet, okay? Sometimes we get the most creative juices in bonnet, okay? But today, I felt like, put my face on, and it's Friday, feeling great. I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling blessed. I'm forever thankful. And, yeah, let's get this day started.
And just in case you guys are wondering what those dangly things are on my ceiling, those are ninjas, compliments of my son. He threw them up there and he said he just wanted them to stay to protect downstairs. So there they are.
Okay, so it's late. I mean, it's not super late. It is approximately 8:35. Can y'all see that? It's 8:35 p.m. and I'm a little bit tired. As you know, I got started at 3:30. Well, no, I actually didn't start painting until like 4:15, and then I kind of just went hard in the paint, literally. Since then, I'm a little bit not tired. I'm hungry because I haven't eaten anything. Y'all saw earlier I had breakfast at 3:30 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I think I'm gonna make some din din now. Actually, it's gonna be leftovers. I made some bomb nachos and chips yesterday, so I'm gonna have that again today. And let me just show y'all what I'm looking like thus far. I'm pretty much done, well, almost done with the piece. Can you guys see that? I should have showed you guys my before I got started. But yeah, I did a lot of work on this side here. And I also finished the top part there, the top blue parts. So my leftover that I have to do is paint this part gold. And of course, add my lines in the gold. And then I'm going to go in and make this a little darker because sometimes, hold on. When I'm creating this, sometimes, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the color underneath will seep through the white. So I always like to give it a second coat, second and third coat. So I'll probably go in and give these here 2, possibly 3 more coats. So it's a really pigmented white, kind of like this side. But yeah, we're pretty much almost done with it. I'll probably be done with it tonight. Yeah, I'll be done with it tonight completely, and then I may
Varnish
it tomorrow.
Varnish
is the clear pretty coat. So yeah, I need to eat something because I keep saying that means my brain is about to shut down. So I'm gonna eat. I may come back when I'm done eating. If not, I'll catch y'all in the next one. All right, y'all, and just like that, we are done. This is on a 24 by 48 canvas size. And we are all finished. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all, if I do say so myself. On to the next canvas.